What's going on, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? We are on our second leg of our journey to home. On today's video, we will experience our flight from Vancouver to Tokyo's Narita Airport. We will talk about the immigration process at Narita and our transfer from Narita's Terminal 1 to Terminal 3. Let's go. After a very long layover at Vancouver International Airport, an experience I don't want to do it again. I mean, it's hard to be at the airport for more than 10 hours. Sleeping in the carpeted floor is not fun at all. So hard on my back. It's just been a very rough night for me. And I am just glad that finally I saw our plane, and we will be boarding very soon. So we're boarding Air Canada Flight 003 bound for Narita, Japan's airport in its capital city of Tokyo. I'm glad I'm in an aisle seat that I don't have to disturb other people on going to the toilet. Another plus was we're lucky nobody was in between us, so we have an extra room on our aisle. Our trip will be 9 hours and 30 minutes. We will arrive in Tokyo at 3:05 p.m. local time. And my next flight will be 9 p.m. to Manila, so we have a lot of time for transfer to Terminal 3 and some walking around the terminal. So after a long 9 hours and 30 minutes flight, we arrived at Narita International Airport Terminal 1. It has been a pleasant flight. I watched 3 movies at the whole duration of the flight, but I was really surprised for an almost 10-hour flight. We only got served for meals only twice. Compared to Korean Airlines or China Airlines, where we used to fly before, they serve us 3 meals for the whole flight. But anyways, the flight was really good, and one more thing the captain of the plane announced after 25 years of flying. It's the very first time his whole family was on that very plane he's flying. Thank you. So after landing, we walked a long hallway until we reached the international transfer area. If you're on a connection flight, don't go to that domestic arrival sign. Go and follow directly the international transfer arrow, and you will save a lot of time. Make sure if you're in the international transfer line, ready your next flight boarding pass, as they will look for it and dump your water when you to the inspection line. So, the security check went though quick, and now we have to find out where to go and find our bus for transfer from this Terminal 1 to Terminal 3.
I'm going to transfer Terminal 3.
Terminal 3. Terminal 3.
Yeah. Which way I'm going?
You should take a bus.
Yeah. Which way am I going?
This is here for
Okay.
this gate area.
Mm-hmm.
Go down the first floor.
Okay.
It's a long way.
Okay.
And go 50th gate area.
So where am I right now? Right here?
Yes.
So I'm going this
Yeah.
way.
Go down the first floor.
First floor, okay.
Long way.
Mhm.
Go up to second floor.
Okay.
No.
And then there's the bus.
Escalator, go up second floor. You can right side.
Okay.
Bus stop.
Okay. Thank you so much.
One important thing I have learned on traveling: never hesitate to ask for help for directions. It will save you tons of time. So we experienced Japanese hospitality firsthand. She was very helpful and took me to the right way to my next transfer.
Okay, and then go first floor. Thank you so much.
So I walked in this very long hallway that lead me to the bus stop that will take me to Terminal 3.
Excuse me. This is shuttle bus going to Terminal 3. Yeah, over here. Okay, thank you.
So we're in a right place, and there's our bus that will take us to Terminal 3. So the bus departs at Terminal 1, and then will stop by Terminal 2, and then to Terminal 3. Another option would be stopping by Terminal 2, and then walk to Terminal 3 for less than 15 minutes walk. But since my backpack is so heavy, I will ride this bus all the way to Terminal 3.
Thank you.
So we reached Terminal 3, took an elevator ride that leads me to the gates. I was too early, so we have a lot of time walking around Terminal 3 shops and restaurants. Enjoy the walking tour, guys. I went to the bathroom for nature's call, and I swear, this is the cleanest bathroom in an airport I have ever been. 2 thumbs up to our Japanese friends for a job well done. So I found my gate. It was small but very clean. Terminal 3, by the way, is the newest and the smallest terminal at Narita. It was usually used by international budget airlines. So we took another bus ride, and this time it will take us to the plane. As soon as I got out of the bus, I was greeted by cold Japanese winter. Canadian winter was way colder, but this time around I'm not dressed to deal this kind of weather. To be honest, I'm cold but can't wait to be on that plane that will take me home. Thank you, Japan, for your hospitality. Sayonara, land of the rising sun.